What is field service software? Field service software allows representatives from a wide variety of industries to track their company's outside operations through mobile systems for scheduling, customer history, and work orders. Common features of field service software include route planning, which reduces fuel costs by calculating the most efficient way to navigate to appointments. Parts inventory management lowers inventory costs by using history files to predict when specific parts in the field will fail. Appointment scheduling reduces scheduling costs by providing a more precise arrival time for technicians, predicting which tools and parts will be needed, and allowing customers to choose a time that's most convenient for them. Advanced field solutions feature ways to improve operations and ensure customer satisfaction, such as mobile support, failure analysis, return merchandise agreements, and project management. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.